The life cycle of a mushroom begins and ends through 5 stages of evolutionary phases, beginning as a fungal spore, seeds, and completing its cycle as a mature fruiting body, the part of a mushroom we all identify and know that releases new spores to create a new cycle all over again. The mushroom lifespan varies between fungi species. One complete life cycle could take 1 week or up to a month or more. As each stage of a mushroom life cycle is completed, the division and creation of the next generation of the fungal organism begins. The anatomy of mushrooms is more similar to plants, but in fact, metabolically speaking, mushrooms are more closely related to humans than plants, and is in a classification all of its own. Mushrooms are part of their own kingdom, the fungi kingdom. Fungi are heterotrophic, meaning they are an organism that sources all their nutrients from other organisms, such as the soil and the environment. Mushrooms are more similar to humans in their respiratory function. Like humans, fungi breathe in oxygen and expel carbon, whereas plants take in carbon, CO2, and expel oxygen, O2. Mushrooms are also the primary decomposers and recyclers of our ecosystem, which naturally works to improve the immune system of its environment. Spores are like mushroom seeds. They're the pre-baby stage of a mushroom life cycle and are asexual, meaning they're all the same. There's no female or male spores as can occur in some plants. Spores are the reproductive unit of the mushroom and are released from the gills and pores of mushrooms, the fleshy part under the cap. Trillions of spores are released each day, innocently floating around the air searching for the right place to germinate. When the floating spores find the ideal environment, with the right amount of water and nutrients present, these spores germinate, sprout, and turn into hyphae via mycelial expansion or mitosis. Spores contain all the nutrients needed for a mature mushroom fruiting body to grow and reproduce. When 2 different spores come together, they form hyphae, the basic fungal unit. Hyphae are long-branched tubular structures and contain the mushroom genetic material and the cytoplasm. Hyphae enable the absorption of nutrients from the soil and the environment therein. Hyphae transport those nutrients throughout the mushroom, supporting the entire mushroom life cycle. Hyphae have sexes, and when A and hyphae combine, similar to a male and female, they fuse and build the mycelium, the network that exists throughout the entire Earth's crust.